Is Google slowly replacing the internet with AI? Because a huge change is happening right now. People are slowly using websites less and asking AI directly for answers. And Google wants AI search to become the future of the internet. A few years ago, Google search worked very differently. You typed a few words and Google showed you many websites. Then you opened articles, watched videos, compared information and decide what was correct. But now everything is changing very fast. Google is deeply adding its AI system, Gemini, into search. Today, many users already see AI generated answers before websites' links appear. That means instead of visiting websites, people may simply read the AI answers and leave. And this is creating a huge debate online. Some people think AI search is amazing because now users can get fast answers in seconds. AI can create, summarize, explain difficult topics, compare products, and answer long questions very quickly. Instead of reading a 2000 words article, user can now get short answers instantly. And honestly, many people are starting to like that experience. But there is also a serious problem because if users stop visiting websites, millions of creators could lose traffic, money, and views. Think about this carefully. A news website spend hours researching information. A blogger writes a detailed article. A creator upload educational content. Then AI reads all that information, creates a short summary, and the user never visits the original websites. That means the creator who made the information may get nothing in return. And this is why many websites are becoming worried about Google AI search. According to reports, Google wants search to become more conversational instead of typing small keywords. People may ask complete question. For example, instead of searching best laptop under $1,000, people may ask suggest a laptop for gaming, video editing, and battery life. Then AI creates the answer directly. Google believes this will make search smarter and easier. But experts say there is another danger. AI is not always accurate. In the past, Google AI gave several strange answers that become viral online. Some answers were completely incorrect, but the AI still sounded very confident, and that could become dangerous in the future because many people may stop checking real sources and simply trust whatever AI says. Now another major question is appearing. If AI starts controlling how information is shown, will the internet slowly become controlled by giant tech companies? Because creators make the information, but AI gives the final answer. That means companies like Google could gain enormous power over online information. Some experts believe traditional websites may lose huge amounts of traffic in the coming years. Small creators, bloggers, and independent news sites may struggle the most. At the same time, Google says AI search will still help users discover useful websites and content. But many creators are still not fully convinced, and Google is not alone in this race. OpenAI, ChatGPT, Microsoft, Capilito, Meta AI, and many other companies are Google are also trying to change the future of search. This is no longer just a technology competition. It is becoming a battle for the future of the internet itself. Because the company that controls AI search could control how billions of people receive information every day. And that is why Google is moving very aggressive into AI. Because if Google falls behind, another company could take its place in the future. But there is also another side to this story. Some people believe AI search could make humans mentally lazy. Why research deeply if AI gives instant answers? Why visit different websites if AI summarizes everything? Some teachers and experts are already worried that younger generations may slowly stop learning real research skills. And now governments are also paying attention because AI generated information can influence opinions, spread misinformation, and even affect elections or public thinking. That is why many countries are discussing AI rules and AI safety laws right now. So now the biggest question is this: will AI search make the internet faster and smarter, or will it slowly damage websites, creators, and independent information? And in the future, will humans search the internet themselves or simply ask AI for everything? Comment your opinion below.